great idea. This is a great idea.
Do it however you got to, brother. Just don't push him. Yeah, that. Hey, we gonna roll with it, I promise.
What? I'll roll with it.
Yes, sir.
On your mark, get set, go!
That was nice. That was nice, brother. I'll give it to you. That was nice. Hey. Hey, hell yeah, brother.
Gonna drive that. Woo! Let's do it again. Hey.
My man right here. With the Polaris. With the Polaris. Yes, sir. Brian Cummings. I don't know who was beside me. My man got it. He got it. He got it. I'll give it to him. I'll give it to him.
Appreciate you.
Hell yeah, brother. I was winning too much. Somebody had to get it.
Well, you don't need to see
Ah!
Everybody made it down. Dude, I was in the dust back there. I could not see shit.
Dude, I believe it. Oh, Lord.
I mean, I'll go again.
Dude, I was so close, and then you were pulling away. I was like, nah.
I feel like I won by not.
Hey, you still won?
Yeah, wiping out. I was gonna go last because I was like, somebody's gonna fuck him.
Yeah.
I went.
Dude.
I was eating dust. I saw this dude. He got
Use my legs to push off.
You guys want to do it again? You're the winner. Like, you already won. Whoever won, won. But let's do it for fun. Like,
Hey, I'll get. Hey,
right now. I'll do it again.
I'll do it again. I don't give a fuck. Hey, he still won though. He still won, so I ain't gonna take it away from him.
Yeah.
When I wanted to win. You won. But I'll still do it for fun. Hey, if we do it for fun, can I drive my other one? For fun.
I don't have a problem with it. You gotta talk to him.
Alright, that ain't winning no money though. That's just racing.
That's just for fun.
Dude, fuck yeah, I'd love to, just for fun.
Yeah, y'all gotta get back up there though.
Alright, bet. Round two. Huh? We'll see. Hey, we'll see money-wise a little bit. I want to drive mine. We're doing this shit for fun. Why not? I gotta talk to my man. See if I can know. He said he don't care.
What the hell, yeah, baby.
Just for fun.
Get in there.
Alright.
Hey, throw it back here.
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. Are y'all the ones that brought them?
Yeah.
Hey, thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
ready to see this again?
We got a few modifications. Hey, you probably gonna beat me again, alright? Even with the ball, I promise. Hey, let him run! Let him run now! Yes, sir.
All right, go!
Damn, son! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Hey, we still got it. We still got it. Get me.
Just off in third place, Adam Stone. Yeah! Yeah!
That's what I'm talking about.
Get you a trophy and $40. All right. Thank y'all for coming out. All right, second place, Brian Cummings. $60 and a trophy. There you go. Yeah! And now for the main event winner, Mr. Seth. He gets a first place and $100.
Yeah! Yeah!
Awesome. Thank y'all for coming out and doing this. We look forward to the next time.
Hell yeah.
Now let's all go down to the truck race and see what we can get.
Man.